So, hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 16 till the 22nd of December for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, the best healing modality of the world, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And it is so powerful, it can change your whole life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can book the consultation. You will definitely get the link in the description box, or if you have any queries, you can mail me for the same. You will find every detail in the description. Let's see, Cancer, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. Blocked. This is someone who is feeling blocked in the situation, big time. They feel like they should surrender to the divine. Whatever is meant to happen in the situation is going to happen eventually. So they are trying to see things from a different perspective. They are trying to understand your point of view as well in the situation. They are trying to understand why whatever happened the way it happened, and what they should do in order to create a different reality, create a different outcome out of the situation. So this is someone who is feeling blocked in the situation, big time. I don't know what the blockage is, but this person is feeling like this blockage is something that they can't remove just like that. It's going to take a lot of healing, lot of time, and lot of understanding from their side. So this person is feeling like they should just surrender to the divine. Whenever it is bound to happen, it will happen, and if it is not, they're just trying to let this go from their with all of their heart and soul. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Cancer, let's see. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, Eight of Wands. Their intention is to hold on to this energy that someday you guys are going to have back and forth communication. Someday you are going to give them a chance to open up in front of you. Someday you guys are going to have heart to heart communication with each other. They want to hold on to this energy of someday it's definitely going to happen, even if it is it is seemingly a mission impossible right now. Someday it's definitely going to happen. Cancer is definitely going to open up with me. Right now they are not opening up. It's completely fine. I can understand their point of view, but someday they will, and they want to hold on to this uh, energy for as long as they can. It's like there's some days like, okay, maybe it's going to take 4 months, 4 years, 40 years, who knows. But I know one day Cancer and I are going to talk to each other. Cancer and me are going to talk to each other with all of our heart and soul. Okay, they just want to wait for the time when they will be able to connect with you on an emotional level and talk to you without any kind of boundaries. Let's see any action from this person's side. We have the Emperor, the Six of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords. Although I do see this person gaining a lot of clarity regarding the situation between you and them, but this person is refusing to take any kind of action. See, I do see a little bit of communication happening between you guys. This communication is going to be very small, very cutthroat, or very maybe painful, hurtful. It's like, let's say this person is going to connect with you and they are going to say, I wanted this thing, or I want this thing directly. No communication, no emotional bonding, or nothing, because they are just trying to test the waters, like how you are going to behave or how you are going to react when they are going to connect with you. So you can expect some kind of message communication from this person's side, but it is going to be very blunt and very cutthroat or cut to point, like this is, can I, like, I want this. Just gave you an example. So I don't see a flow of communication or somebody apologizing to you or running behind you or begging you or something like that. Somebody will definitely try to test the water with you in some way, and then boom, nothing. I don't see much happening here from this person's side. They're going to put on this facade of, I don't care about you, I don't even know who you are, I just wanted to know this, I just wanted to have this, or whatever. The Guidance, Four of Cups. Okay, See, right now you might be feeling this is the end of the world for you, for your love and relationship area, Cancer. This is not right. You might be stuck on a specific person or a specific kind of person. That is why you might not be able to connect with anybody else. That's completely fine. Take your time. Take your time, but at the same time, be open to new experiences, new energies as well, because you never know where you are going to find your next person. Maybe they are going to be totally different from what you think they should be. Yeah. So open heart, open energy. Okay, and slow and steady wins the race. Hmm. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.